Hi guys, it's Miss Birrell here. Today we have a learning video and it is on what is the difference between the roots, zeros, and x-intercepts. Remember, try to just watch the video and when you're finished, if needed, use the video to fill in your pair deck. So our learning objectives for today are, today you will learn to identify the roots, zeros, and x-intercepts of a function. So in algebra, the terms root, zero, and x-intercept are used interchangeably. Let's explore what is similar and what is different using these terms in class. So what's the difference between the roots, zeros, and x-intercepts? The roots and the zeros represent the x value of the x-intercept, meaning the value of x when y is 0. The x-intercepts are points where the function crosses the x-axis. The roots, zeros, are typically written as a set, which is inside braces, whereas the x-intercepts are typically written as a point or ordered pair. So how are the roots, zeros, and x-intercepts similar? The roots, zeros, and x-intercepts are all similar in that they are where the function crosses the x-axis. There can be 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe even none. Okay. What's different is the way we are expressing them or the way we're writing them. So let's take a look. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to plot a point right here. And these are what we call the zeros because it's where it's crossing the x-axis. So our first zero is -4, and the second one is 3. As a set, it's -4 and 3. The roots are -4 and 3. It's where it crosses the x-axis, and it can be written as x equals -4, x equals 3. The intercepts, or the x-intercepts, are the points where it crosses. So if I were to write this as a coordinate, it would be -4, 0. And this one would be 3, 0. So let's try a couple. Okay, so it says, what are the zeros? Okay, so the zeros are where it crosses the x-axis. So the zeros are -2 and 1. Okay, what are the x-intercepts? So again, it's where it crosses the x-axis. So do you notice the common theme here? So the first one is what? 1, 0, and the second one is 5, 0. And the last one is use the roots to find the roots of this function. So if you look, it looks to me like x equals -2 and x equals 3. Now it's your turn.